this is this bench part is cast iron, and I can't torch it. You try and cut it with the torch, and it just doesn't really cut. It just kind of melts and doesn't really work. You can't really melt a hole in it. So what I'm gonna do is take my stick welder, I turn it all the way up, and I'm gonna burn a hole. Alright, that didn't really work. We'll try again. We'll get it a little hotter. You heard it break through there. She burned through. But then it just kind of welded itself back together. Now that it's nice and red hot, we're gonna try again. Well, we got a nice red puddle here. Eventually I gotta drop it through there. Maybe this one will do it. Got a volcano going on. Got a little volcano going on. I'm gonna try and get that hot lava to go through the bottom. Come on. Come on, hot lava, get through there, get through there. Come on, get through there, get through there. Come on, 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 come on. Come on, hot lava. Come on, hot lava. Get in there, get in there. Come on, come on, come on. Oh boy. Now, if I had thicker welding rods, this would work better, but I've got to work with what I've got. All right, here we go. Come on, hot lava. There we go. We've broken through the hole. Broken through the bottom. Now we've got a hole. What I've really done is made a big mess, but it was necessary. I needed a hole, so I had to make one. I've made a hole, now I've got a big mess to clean up. You can come over here and check it out. You've just got to work with what you've got. I needed a hole, now I've got a hole. I've also got a smoky volcano. It's beautiful, it's got to go. We're gonna have to get it off of there. I'm gonna get my hammer, I'm gonna hit the hell out of it, try and get it out of my way. Then I'm gonna take my grinder, clean it up a little bit. Then we can put the tabletop back on and throw some bolts through it. And I know what you're thinking. Jimmy, come on, you could have just drilled a hole, but I don't have a drill bit that's gonna drill a hole. I don't have a drill capable of drilling a hole in this thing. I just don't have it, I don't have it. I know what you're thinking now. Well, you just go to Home Depot and you could get a drill. But I can't go to Home Depot. That's where the germs are. I bought it. Alright, oh no, I'd say that was pretty good success. We made a hole. Just like that, nobody got the coronavirus, and we got a hole. So that's a nice, wonderful hole. You couldn't have made a nicer hole if you had a perfect drill bit, you know. A drill bit couldn't have done a better job there. So that's great. My welder trick works great. Makes beautiful, perfectly round holes. Very good.